lady's car is compact, it's fast. And like her car, the lady's hairdryer is compact and fast. It's the new Lady Sunbeam Jet Set Hairdryer with the self-storing hose. It's so fast that it actually dries hair in an average of 22 minutes. Most dryers move air slowly like this, but Lady Sunbeam's extra wide diameter hose moves more air faster, dries quickly without uncomfortable heat. Just select any one of 4 comfortable temperatures, then relax. Or if you're busy, Lady Sunbeam's 12-foot cord lets you move about freely. And in just 22 minutes, you'll have gone from this to this. Lady Sunbeam also makes a salon-type hairdryer, plus portable hairdryers for every budget, with prices starting under $15. Remember to ask for a hairdryer by Sunbeam.